In this video, I will be demonstrating exercise 11.2, creating a publishing point, exercise 11.3, creating an announcement file, and exercise 11.4, establishing a Windows Media Services connection. In exercise 11.2, we will be creating a new publishing point so that we can deploy multimedia content to network clients on our WMS server. The first thing we want to do is go to Start, Admin Tools, and the Windows Media Services. This will open up the MMC Snap-in. Then in the Scope pane, we're going to expand our server, and we're going to select the Publishing Points node. We're going to right-click and add Publishing Points. We're going to name this Stream 01. We're going to click Next. And we're going to use one file option. And click Next again. This is going to be an on-demand publishing point. And we're going to leave the default selection selected. And we're going to click Browse and select the industrial.wmv file. And then click Select File on the right side. And then we're going to click Next. And then we're going to enable logging for the stream. We're going to uncheck the after the wizard finishes. And we're going to click Finish. And that's all you have to do for exercise 11.2. In exercise 11.3, we will be creating an announcement file and a web page so that clients can use this to access the multimedia content on the publishing point that we created in exercise 11.2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Windows Media Services MMC, and then we're going to select our server, and we're going to go to the publishing point that we just created, and then we're going to click Announce, and we're going to run the Unicast Announcement Wizard button. Click Next, Next again, and we're going to check the box where it says to create a web page. And then we're going to click Next. We're going to click Next again. We're going to uncheck the Test the Files when the wizard finishes checkbox and click Finish. In our last exercise, we're going to be testing our WMS server by using the web page that we created to access our new publishing point. As you can see, I've already opened up Internet Explorer. In the address box, we're going to type in 2020server01.contoso.com/stream01.htm. As you can see, this opens up the announcement that we created in the last exercise. If we click the Launch Standalone Windows Media Player, nothing's going to happen because we have not yet installed the Windows Media Player. And to do that, we have to add the feature, which is located in the Server Manager. We want to install the Desktop Experience feature. As soon as this feature is done installing, we are required to restart the server, so I'll be right back as soon as the server has been restarted. As soon as the server loads back up, we're going to see the Resume Configuration Wizard dialog box. That's just going to finish installing the desktop experience. So now if we go back to the Internet Explorer and type in the 2020server01.contoso.com/stream01.htm, you will see that the embedded Windows Media Player has been installed, and we can actually view the content in the web browser without having to launch the standalone media player. And as you can see, just as I said earlier, there's our industrial video. This is the end of Lab 11 in INTC 2020. Thanks for watching.